Yo, what up? It's Dominic again, and I am going to be making an airplane that actually comes back to you. So first thing you're going to need to do is take a piece of notebook paper. Then you're going to fold it like a normal piece of paper. I mean, a normal airplane. And then once you do that, you're going to fold it down where it looks like this. You have this, fold it down, make it look like this. Next, you're going to fold it again like an airplane or a jet. Fold it again, and then you're going to fold it like an airplane. You're going to have this, fold it like an airplane. And then, once you do that, you're going to have like a little triangle over here. Fold that down. It should be like this. You should have two pockets on the sides. Right there. 2 pockets. And then, once you have that, you're going to fold it like a normal airplane. Like this. It should look like this. And then, you're going to fold it down like an airplane. Make it look like this. Then you're going to fold the 2 sides up. Make them look like this. Not these. And then, yeah, once you fold them again, you're going to fold it again and make little wings on the sides. It should look like this when you're done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.